Life is short, and time moves faster than we think. Every day that passes is a day we will never get back. Many people don't realize this until it is too late. They spend their time waiting, doubting, and doing nothing, while deep inside they feel that they are wasting something very important, their life. Some people always say, "I will start tomorrow." They believe they still have time. But the truth is that tomorrow is not guaranteed. Days turn into weeks, and weeks turn into years. One day, they look back and realize that they have done nothing, and their dreams have slowly disappeared. If you want to change your life, you must start now, not when you feel ready, and not when everything is perfect, because that moment will never come. What matters is taking the first step, even if it is small. Small actions, repeated every day, can lead to big results. Stop wasting your time on things that do not help you grow. Stay away from negative thoughts, distractions, and fear. These are the things that hold you back from becoming the person you want to be. Instead, focus on improving yourself and learning something new every day, because your future depends on what you do today. Believe in yourself. You are stronger and more capable than you think. You have the ability to change your life and create something better. Success does not happen overnight, but with patience, discipline, and consistency, anything is possible. If you are learning English, remember that progress takes time. Start with simple words and short sentences. Listen every day, read often, and practice as much as you can. Even a few minutes a day can make a big difference over time. But there is something deeper that you need to understand. Your life is shaped by your habits. What you do every single day is more important than what you do once in a while. If your days are full of distractions, your future will be full of regret. But if your days are full of effort and learning, your future will be full of growth and success. You don't need a big opportunity to change your life. You just need to use the small moments that you already have. 10 minutes of learning, 15 minutes of practice. These small moments may seem insignificant, but over time, they create powerful results. Many people underestimate the power of consistency. They start something with excitement, but after a few days, they stop. They expect fast results, and when they don't see them, they lose motivation. But real success does not work that way. Real progress is slow. It is quiet. Sometimes you don't even notice it. But if you keep going, one day you will see the difference. One day, you will understand more, speak better, and feel more confident. And that moment will make everything worth it. Do not compare yourself to others. Everyone has their own journey. Some people learn faster, others take more time. What matters is not how fast you go, but that you keep going. Focus on your own progress, even if it is small, because small progress is still progress. There will be moments when you feel tired, moments when you feel like quitting, and moments when you think it is too difficult. But these moments are part of the journey. Every successful person has faced these feelings. The difference is that they did not stop. They continued, even when it was hard. They stayed committed, even when they didn't feel like it. That is what you need to do. You need to build discipline. Discipline is what keeps you moving when motivation disappears. Discipline is what helps you stay focused on your goals. It is the key to long-term success. Without discipline, it is easy to give up. But with discipline, you become unstoppable. Imagine your life 1 year from now, if you stay consistent. Imagine how much you can improve if you practice every day. Imagine the confidence you will have when you can understand and speak English easily. Now imagine the opposite. Imagine that you keep delaying, keep waiting, and keep doing nothing. The difference between these two futures is simple. It is what you decide to do today. So take control of your time. Use it wisely. Do not let it pass without meaning. Every day is a new opportunity to improve yourself. Every day is a new chance to get closer to your goals. Do not waste that chance. Start with something small. Learn one word. Listen to one sentence. Practice for a few minutes. It may not seem like much, but it is the beginning of something powerful. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to be consistent. Because in the end, success is not about doing something big once. It is about doing small things every day without stopping. Your future is being created right now by the choices you make today. So choose wisely. Choose growth over comfort. Choose action over fear. And choose discipline over excuses. And most importantly, choose to start. Because one day, you will either be proud of how you used your time or you will regret how you wasted it. The choice is yours. So don't waste your life waiting for the perfect moment. Start now, start small, but most importantly, start today. If you enjoyed this video and want to improve your English faster, hit like and subscribe now and don't miss the next lesson.